Gaines, where are you going?
Look, I can swim like a mermaid.
Wow. I'm gonna lose my hair. It's great, take a Thunder, no. Say good morning. It is a...
So much, guys.
What'd you say? It's raining so much, guys. Are your tattoos coming off?
What? These?
Yeah.
Yeah. These?
Yeah.
Yes, they are.
This one step down to the backyard and the play area over here, and eventually once this all gets cleared out and fixed, this connected right here, all this is what we've been wanting for years and years. Well, not really that many years, but once we had kids. Well, the rain went away for a minute and it was a sunny day, and then we were getting ready to go to the pool and it kind of started back up a little bit. So we're gonna go check it out, see if the pool's even open, but it may be, we'll see. As long as it's raining, we can swim, right?
Yeah.
Because I mean, it's just water. It's filling up the swimming pool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah. Here we go. Let's see what we can do.
You sound like Mickey Mouse. The pool is open. Look, I can swim like a mermaid. My goggles. I got it.
We had to get out.
There's thunder. A butterfly, see? Look, there it is.
Whoa. We're waiting out the thunder, seeing if it'll go away.
And we just saw a butterfly.
That's right. Bye. See you later. Where are you going? Gaines, where are you going? I don't know either. The car's back here. Well, as you saw, the thunder kept kind of rolling in. It's still kind of off and on, but they said that's the first time they've had to call it today for the thunder. You got a little private swim lesson in, didn't you?
Can I lie right here?
No, you gotta get in your seat.
Why?
Silly goose.
Why?
But she's doing good, getting the arms and stuff going on. Did you have fun swimming?
Yeah, but when we were done swimming, and when we were swimming, thunder started coming.
Yeah.
Why was it started coming?
Not a lot.
Why was it started coming, Dad?
I don't know.
Brooks and I were just sitting here reading a book, and he's gotten so good at recognizing things in the book. Let's see if he'll do it again. I doubt he will with the camera here, but we're gonna try. Purple, pink, yogurt. There's the yogurt. Where's the mouth? Mouth. There's the mouth, good boy. Gray. Where's the kitty cat? Kitty cat, meow. Kitty cat. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Oh my goodness, you're not gonna do it now that we have the camera out. Where's the kitty? Brooks, look. Meow, meow. Where's the kitty cat? hot mess. Okay, how about this one? Oh, I see a ball. Where's the ball? Ball. Bird. Where's the dog? Roof, roof. Roof, roof. Roof, roof. Bananas. More bananas. Oh, you're a mess. Well, he did a couple of them, but he didn't do the ones I was expecting him to do. Crazy boy. But it's just crazy to see him grow and learn new things and like actually start recognizing stuff in the books. I talk about this in his 10-month update, which is coming out this week. Stay tuned. But he loves to sit in my lap and read books or be read books, obviously. Gates didn't like to sit still so much when she was his age and do that, but that is like one of the only times he will sit still is if I'm reading him a book. So that's exciting that he likes that.
We are back now at my mom's house. We've got a trailer, a 14-foot trailer about to come down and try to get into the little area right here. Should be interesting. She's got a new tenant moving in. Y'all having fun up there? A mosquito? Uh-oh. Not right now. We're about to have a trailer and a truck come down here. Good. Perfect. Did it. Nice. It's pouring now. We're still getting it done. Woo.
Let's go to the bedroom.
Are you ready? You got Daddy's hat and everything, huh?
I want Daddy to put it back on.
Okay. Tell him night night.
I'm gonna go tell him night night.
Okay.
Let's go to bed, dude.
We don't have that on, Daddy.
She doesn't want you to be seen without it.
Why? Am I losing my hair?
Yeah.
Or is it just greasy?
It's just greasy.
Is it greasy or wet?
It's wet.
And greasy?
Yeah.
Go to bed, dude.
No, I don't want to.
Night night, sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Come on, come.
Okay, let's go.
A kid that eager to go to bed is a good thing. We hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you at OTFS. Catch you on the flip side. Bye.
Your belly button hurts. What happened to your belly button?
I gotta see a replay of that. You like a little golly.
Coming back, baby, coming back.
Getting to Boo Alabama.
No, don't say that.